Welcome to Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of class 4th from Maharashtra board. Today we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject EVS Part 2, Chapter 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhonsales.
Question number 1. As the saints preached devotion to God, who started a tradition of bravery? First option, the Vatandars. Second option, the Maratha Sardars. Third option, Nizam Shah. Fourth option, Adil Shah.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is the Maratha Sardars. Question number 2. Who made use of the armies of Maratha Sardars in wars? First option, the Vatandars. Second option, the saints. Third option, Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. Fourth option, the Emperor Akbar.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. Question number 3. The Marathas were fearless and dash to their masters. First option, disloyal. Second option, loyal.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is loyal. Question number 4. What was relation of Jijabai with Shivaji Maharaj? First option, grandmother. Second option, aunt. Third option, sister. Fourth option, mother.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is mother. Question number 5. The Sardar who received a Jagir considered himself a dash. First option, Sultan. Second option, Raja. Third option, Saint. Fourth option, Munsif.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Raja. Question number 6. Among famous families who showed great bravery and enterprise. First option, Moris of Javali. Second option, Ghorapares of Mudhol. Third option, Bhonsales of Verul. Fourth option,
Yeah.
Nimbalkars of Faltan.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Bhonsales of Verul. Question number 7. Who fought bravely to save Nizam Shah? First option, Malik Amber and Shahaji Raje. Second option, Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Third option, Maloji Raje Bhonsale. Fourth option, Vitoji Raje.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Malik Amber and Shahaji Raje. Question number 8. With what title did the Adil Shah honor Shahaji Raje? First option, Sir Army. Second option, Sir Sardar. Third option, Sir Lashkar. Fourth option, Sir Maratha.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Salashkar. Question number 9. Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? First option, the Jagir of Pune and Supepraganaz. Second option, the Jagir of Konkan. Third option, the Jagir of Karjat. Fourth option, the Jagir of Kasara.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is the Jagir of Pune and Supepraganaz. Question number 10. Who restored the temple of Grishneshwar to its original condition? First option, Malik Amber. Second option, Maloji Raje Bhonsale. Third option, Shahaji Raje. Fourth option, Lakhujirao Jadhav.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Maloji Raje Bhonsale. Question number 11. Who was a capable vizier of Nizam Shah? First option, Malik Ambar. Second option, Shahaji Raje. Third option, Sharif Ji. Fourth option, Fateh Khan.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Malik Ambar. Question number 12. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private army. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 13. The Nizam Shah of Bijapur and the Adil Shah of Ahmednagar were constantly at war with each other. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 14. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadhav of Sindh Khed. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 15. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Vitoji Raje. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 16. Who was the younger son of Babaji Raje Bhonsale? First option, Vitoji. Second option, Shahji. Third option, Sharif Ji. Fourth option, Maloji.
Here, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Vitoji. Question number 17. What was the capital of Nizam Shah when the Mughal emperor from Delhi attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah? First option, Aurangabad. Second option, Jahanabad. Third option, Daulatbad. Fourth option, Firozabad.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Daulat Bad. Question number 18. What is the meaning of title Sir Lashkar? First option, Chief of State. Second option, Chief of Town. Third option, Chief of Kingdom. Fourth option, Chief of Army.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is Chief of Army. Question number 19. Write the relation between following names. A. Maloji Raje and Vitoji Raje. B. Shahaji Raje and Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. C. Shahaji Raje and Sharif Ji. D. Babaji Raje and Vitoji Raje.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is A. Maloji Raje and Vitoji Raje were brothers. B. Shahaji Raje was son-in-law of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. C. Shahaji Raje and Sharif Ji Raje were brothers. D. Vitoji Raje was younger son of Babaji Raje. Question number 20. Match the following pairs.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct matching is as follow. Nimbalkars of Falton. Ghorapares of Mudhol. Bhonsales of Verul. Mauri of Javali. Jadhav of Sindhkhed.
Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.